Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken charlotte cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. This is an incredibly quick, simple, budget-friendly dish that the kids are going to enjoy. The first thing we're going to do, we've already put our pie maker on, is just drop our butter in there and it will melt. When it's melted, we're going to just brush it around to coat all the sides and just use the excess to brush onto our bread. Get a good slather of that into our bread. The butter's come out of the fridge, so it's really quite firm at the moment. Okay, now we get our whole seeded mustard, spread it onto our bread, which has already been buttered. This is quite mild, but it gives it a nice flavour. And then cut it into little cubes. Okay, now to a bowl we add our eggs, just 2 whole eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable salt. Mix that all around, add our milk, our spring onions, and just 100 grams of chopped up cooked chicken meat. Barbecue chicken, steamed chicken, I don't care, whatever you want. Just pop that in there like so. Alrighty. Now, just get our little cubes of bread and drop them in there as well. And then we're going to pour the whole lot into the pie maker and sprinkle it with cheese. Just before we do that, we're just going to get some of our butter and just brush it around on the top so that it doesn't stick to our cheese when we put it on there. It's a non-stick surface, but this will help it along. Right, just give this a turn over. Now this is normally a layered dish, but we don't need to do that now. And I'm not using full-sized onions, I'm using the spring onions because they've got a lovely mild flavour. Just tip that over so we can see some of our little seeded mustard pieces on top. Sprinkle it with some cheese. You can put some paprika on here if you like, a little bit more cracked pepper. Okay, and close the lid. That'll be ready in about 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're just going to check that. You can see it's rising nicely. It's not sticking at all. It's really quite puffed, but it is a little bit soft in the middle still. So we're going to give it another couple of minutes just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Okay, 2 minutes later, and this is what you should have. It's nice and brown all around the edges. I'm going to turn that off now. Just poke a knife into the center of it and just make sure there's no liquid egg there and it's coming out clean. It's just got the melted cheese on the top there, which obviously has not stuck. And we're just going to try and remove this in one piece and pop it onto our serving platter. Serving it with a little tossed salad. Get our spatulas underneath here and boost it out. There we go. Okay, just wipe this out when it's cooled down a little bit with a damp cloth. And it's ready to pack away again. Alrighty, just leave this to sit for a couple of minutes to allow it to settle. We've got our little salad there, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. You'll have to agree this is a really budget meal. Looks kind of cute. Sprinkle a bit of pepper on the top there. And there you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's chicken charlotte cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, simply check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe and do tap that little notification bell so you never miss another interesting recipe episode. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Now, how are we going to go here? Our bread will give it a little bit of body. It's lovely and moist and tender, screaming hot. I don't want to burn myself here, but I simply can't wait. It smells too fantastic. You've got to try this. If you want to try a full-sized chicken charlotte cooked in the oven, we've got one of those uploaded on our channel as well. Thanks for watching.